In the dark ocean of space, far beyond our solar system, there is a world that has captured the imagination of scientists everywhere. It is called Kepler-22b. This planet is about 600 light-years away from Earth. That means light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes 600 years to reach us from there. Kepler-22b was discovered in 2011 by NASA's powerful space telescope, Kepler Space Telescope. And when scientists found it, they were stunned, because this was the first planet discovered in the Goldilocks zone. The Goldilocks zone is the perfect distance from a star. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water. And where there is liquid water, there could be life. Kepler-22b orbits a star called Kepler-22. This star is similar to our Sun, but slightly smaller and cooler. 1 year on Kepler-22b lasts about 290 Earth days. That's not very different from our 365-day year. So far, it sounds promising. But what is this world really like? Kepler-22b is about twice the size of Earth. Planets this size are often called super-Earths. But here's the mystery. We don't know if it is rocky like Earth. It could be covered in deep oceans, or it could have a thick, cloudy atmosphere. Some scientists think it might be a water world. Imagine a planet covered almost entirely by a giant global ocean. No continents, no beaches, just endless water. If Kepler-22b has an atmosphere like Earth's, it could trap heat and stay warm. Early estimates suggest it might have temperatures similar to a mild spring day. Not freezing, not burning, comfortable. That raises a huge question. Could life exist there? Life on Earth began in water. Tiny microbes formed in Earth's ancient oceans billions of years ago. If Kepler-22b has had stable oceans for billions of years, could something similar have happened there? Maybe simple bacteria, maybe strange sea creatures, or maybe something intelligent. What if an alien ocean species thinks in ways we cannot imagine? Would they look up and wonder about us? But what if we are thinking too small? What if the oceans are only part of the story? A thick atmosphere does not mean there is no land. Look at Venus. Its clouds are so thick we cannot see the ground from space. Yet beneath those clouds are mountains, valleys, and vast rocky plains. Kepler-22b could be hiding something similar. And if there is land, life might not only swim, it might walk. Strange creatures moving across distant plains. Perhaps intelligent beings, predatory rulers of their own soil. Maybe somewhere on Kepler-22b, something stands on solid ground and wonders if it is alone. But to be clear, there is no proof of life on Kepler-22b. Right now, it is still a mystery. We cannot see its surface. All we know is its size, its orbit, and its distance. Yet sometimes, that is enough to spark hope. Now here is the biggest challenge. Distance. Kepler-22b is 600 light-years away. If we traveled using today's fastest spacecraft, the trip would take millions of years. For humans, that means we cannot visit anytime soon. Not with today's technology. But when we are curious enough, we innovate. Kepler-22b represents something bigger than just a planet. It represents possibility. The possibility that we are not alone. The possibility that life may rise wherever conditions are right. And the possibility that one day, humanity may reach beyond our tiny corner of space. Somewhere out there, circling its quiet star, Kepler-22b continues its journey. Silent, distant, unknown. It may be an empty ocean world, or it may be alive in ways we cannot yet understand. And maybe one day, it will change everything we know about life in the universe.